Okay, let's keep going. 3 out of 3. Let's play e4. You're destroying him while we're just playing some blitz, trying to get the rating up before we play in Arena Kings a little bit later on. Let's go c3. So let's just castle here. I enjoy how you're 12 moves ahead already. I try to be 12 moves ahead. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna play e5 here. It's not the only move with bishop e4 to hit the knight, and I'm gonna go like a4, maybe d3. We'll see what he does. I could take. I think I'm gonna go d3 here. Step 1. Maybe knight a3 to hit the pawn. I could also trade. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take here. If he takes with the knight, I take. I feel like something bad's happening. He probably should take with the pawn, but he takes with a knight. Let's take. Okay, he takes with a pawn here. That's what I expected. Now, the key here is to put the knight on f3. Maybe queen h5 is an idea down the road as well. Maybe. Or just queen h5, g6, queen h3 is kind of interesting a little bit. Very hard to judge, though, so I'm just going to go knight f3 and try to keep it very solid here. Not the only move, of course, playing knight f3, but I figure the pawn's under pressure. Okay, now I'll take to open up the file. I guess I'll go here. Don't know if this is right, but it's a move to play. Let's go rook e1 just to guard the pawn with the fossil. I have rook c1, I have queen b3. I should be better here. I just don't know if I'm much better or a little better. Bishop g5 looks interesting. Queen b3 also probably good. Let's think about this. Maybe 8. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to go h4 and try to start attacking on the king side here. Like h4, h5, knight g5 hooks. Let's see what he does. Rook c1 also a move as well. What are you guys asking? What is he doing in the home country? Oh, yeah. Bad liar. Goes rook a8, which I don't like. I'm going to go rook c1 to pressure the knight on c6. Okay, now I feel like I should have some ideas. Like maybe knight g5 here, because if he takes, I always take. This looks very, very scary in my opinion here. Looks very dangerous for black. Everything's aiming towards the king. Looks pretty scary. Take with the bishop, because if he takes, I trade, and then I win the piece on e5. Just looks very, very scary. I mean, how is this not mating? Bishop f6? I'm going to go for it. Takes, queen h5. I've got lollies. They're all kinds of checkmates here. This looks horribly scary to me, but what do I know about chess anyway? I mean, this looks just losing. Look at these Bs, and look at the queen coming to g4. A lot of pressure here. Should be very, very good. Bro is literally Heinz 57. What do you mean? Yeah, so actually, I'll answer you guys the question. So I'll... Don't I just go here? Isn't it just a classic lolly? Yeah, so people are making the joke about Germany and me returning to the homeland. So I'm not, like, German, but what I would say, there's no delay. No delay, to be clear. Is that, as far as that goes, like, my grandmother on my mother's side, her parents were both 100% German. So, like, I mean, I don't consider myself German, obviously, but I do have German blood. So yeah, so like my mother's mom, my grandmother, her parents were both 100% German. And my mom's father was 100% Swedish. So basically I'm Swedish and German, but then my mom married, my biological father, of course, is Japanese, 100% basically. So that's why like I'm 50%. I'm basically, you know, not obviously nothing's like, you know, 100% this, 100% that, but effectively Swedish, German, and Japanese. I'm gonna go here. Yeah. You have some German blood and a German passport and citizenship. I don't have a German passport, but good one. Let's go. 0% American. You guys know who is American, though? Jokes aside, let's be real. You want to be real about this topic? You know, if you're a Native American, you are American. Otherwise, you don't really have a right to claim you're American. Let's play Queen d7 and trade the queens here. And that includes Mr. Donald Trump as well, who I believe is also German. Let's play Bishop d6 here. I'm going to play h5 and h4 maybe here to attack. You have German humor dry. Yes, thank you. Appreciate it. Goes g3. I think I'll play h4 anyway. g4, maybe I go h3, maybe I play f5 as well. I'm 12% Mohawk. Didn't those Indians come from Siberia? Okay, you guys, let's not take it too far, okay? I'm gonna go rook h7 and rook h8 here. Let's go f5. He has to take or else I get f4 to win the bishop. I've got the two Bs, which are very, very active as well, so it should be good. Yes, yeah. So if you're Native American, you're from Siberia, right? So you're actually Russian. Yes, exactly. But at the end of the day, if you want to be technical like that, then aren't we all basically African? Because the cradle of civilization, I believe, is in Africa. Like the first humans were in Africa, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, okay, let's go. I guess I'll go here. Pressure the g5. Rook g8 incoming. Monkeys, you mean? Oh, right, yeah. We're not even Africans. We're monkeys. You're right. That's true. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go here. Yeah, so we're monkeys. Hilarious, you guys. Hilarious. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's focus on the chess here before this becomes some weird, weird conversation about animals this, animals that. Okay, so I can obviously trade down and go b6. I have a feeling this should be winning with the two Bs. I don't know why, but it just feels like the two Bs are too good. I'm wondering maybe I had bishop c2 somewhere in there, trap the knight, maybe? Maybe. I think I'm gonna go here and try to trap the horse. Because now there's no jump backwards. Let's go here, kick the horse out. This looks really, really sketchy. This knight has to go here. I mean, maybe there's... No, this has to be winning. This knight is just basically dead unless he plays b5. Because if I go king b5, it's game over. The horse has no squares. So he has to go here. He resigns. Okay, let's keep going.